In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a website may seem like a daunting task, especially if you've never done it before, but I'm here to assure you that with ChatGPT, it can be a super simple process. Whether you're interested in launching a portfolio to showcase your work, creating a landing page for your new venture, setting up a small business site, or even developing a personal project, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly and efficiently. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Once you're there, sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you'll want to ask it to help you generate the website you need. This is where the magic begins. Click into the message box at the bottom of the page. This is where you'll input your request. It's important to be clear and specific, as the more detail you provide, the better the results will turn out. A good example of a prompt might be, build a portfolio website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Use a minimal design. You can customize this prompt to match your vision. Change the type of website, the style you're aiming for, and even specify any features you want included. Once you've typed out your prompt, simply press Enter and give ChatGPT a moment to work its magic. Depending on what you've asked for, it may generate an HTML file, a CSS file, and a JavaScript file for you. This is where you'll start to see the framework of your website come to life. Take a moment to review everything carefully. It's always good to look through the code to ensure it aligns with what you envisioned. If something doesn't sit right with you, don't hesitate to go back and ask ChatGPT for revisions. For instance, if you want to adjust the layout, change the colors, add sections, or simplify the design, just type out those new instructions. This is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT. There's no limit to how many times you can tweak and improve your site before ever getting to the point of publishing it. Now, once you have your code just the way you want it, the next step is to take that code and get it onto the web. You'll need a code editor for this. If you don't already have one, there are plenty of free options out there, like Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or even online editors. Open your chosen code editor, create a new file for each part of the website, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then copy and paste the code that ChatGPT generated for you. Once everything is organized in your code editor, save the files with the appropriate extensions, .html for the HTML file, .css for the CSS file, and .js for the JavaScript file. Now, it's time to view your creation. You can do this by opening your HTML file in a web browser. Just double-click the file, and it should open in your default web browser. Voila! You've just created a website with the help of ChatGPT. Remember, building a website is often an ongoing process. You can always come back, make adjustments, and continue to evolve your site. So keep experimenting and don't be afraid to ask ChatGPT for further assistance. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a website using ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Happy building!